commodities. Right, XAUUSD is the instrument that tracks spot gold futures, and we can see that uh, crude prices have consolidated at around $2,640 per ounce since last Tuesday, 26th of, or no, since 2 Tuesdays ago, 26th of November, right? So for about nearly a period of about nearly 2 weeks now, gold prices have just consolidated around this level at around $2,640 per ounce. And you can see now it is rising up towards the pivot. The pivot has been identified at $2,713 per ounce. This is a nice overlap resistance level, where we can see previously this level here functioning as support on 23rd of October. And then after that, a little bit of resistance here in the first week of November and a very significant swing high resistance here on 22nd of November. This creates a nice overlap level, which we've identified as the pivot, and is also accompanied by a Fibonacci retracement at 78.6%. So this 78.6% retracement was found by starting from the intraday all-time high for spot gold, which was formed on 31st of October at $2,790.10 per ounce, right? And we ended the retracement at this swing low that took place on Thursday, 14th of November. So that's how the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement was found. You can see here with gold prices rising up towards the pivot level here, and should you be long on gold, you can identify a potential take profit target and around the pivot, which is at $2,713 per ounce. So with gold prices rising up once more here today, after consolidating at around $2,640 since Tuesday, 26th of November, it looks like gold is finally there's some life breathing back into gold prices and is rising up towards the pivot here. So this pivot level here would be a good idea to identify as a potential take profit target for any long trades that you may have. Higher up, of course, the first resistance is at $2,790 per ounce, which is the swing high resistance, where the intraday all-time high was formed on Wednesday, 30th of October. Or is it 30th or 31st of October? Right, in terms of support, looking below at $2,555, right, there's a nice swing low support that has taken place here on 13th of November, and we see a little pullback taking place here on 18th of September as well. So this is a pretty decent support level at 2,555, which is also accompanied by Fibonacci retracement at 50%. Now, this 50% retracement level was found by starting from this swing low here on 7th of June, going up to the intraday all-time high on 31st of October. And we can see that at 50% retracement level aligns very well with the first support, right? So these are the key levels here. And also we can see that uh, gold has found support within the green Ichimoku cloud once more, right? A little bit similar to what has happened on Friday, 15th of November, as gold prices fell very sharply. At the beginning of November, it stabilized at around $2,560 per ounce within the green Ichimoku cloud, staged a strong rebound, and then it pulled back again at the end of November and stabilized within the green Ichimoku cloud once more, right? And it looks like to be rising up towards the pivot level. Right, so these are the key levels here for gold on the daily time frame. All right, yeah, sure, we can cover on the 1 hour time frame as well. So let's do that. Looking on the 1 hour time frame, right, I would see there's an intermediate resistance level uh, over here, right? This level is at $2,664. That is an intermediate resistance level here, right? We can see a nice swing high resistance being formed on 29th of November, right? This looks to be a pretty key support level. And at the same time, we can run a Fibonacci retracement starting from this swing high on 24th of November, going down to the swing low on the 25th of November. Let's look at all the fibs. We can see that this swing high resistance that took place at the end of November is also accompanied by Fibonacci retracement at 50%, right? So this will be a pretty important area to keep an eye on as well, right? Because if we do see gold prices break above the 50% retracement as well as the swing high resistance, right, then we can expect this precious metal to continue to rise higher. All right, let me take a look at where the 70, 61, and 78.6% sit as well. All right, no, okay. All right, let's keep 50%. And where I see another intermediate resistance level is at this overlap level here at 2689. We can see this level previously functioning as pretty decent support on 22nd of November, after which it functioned as resistance here on 25th of November, creating a nice overlap level. So in between where gold is currently trading and the pivot at 2713, we have also identified two intermediate resistance levels. The first of which is at $2,664 per ounce. This is a swing high resistance that's accompanied by Fibonacci retracement at 50%. And a little bit higher, there's another nice decent overlap resistance at 2,689. So take note, should we see gold break above this respective intermediate resistances, we can definitely expect it to rise up towards the pivot at 2,713. Right, so these are the key levels here for spot gold prices, right, on the daily time frame as well as on the 1 hour time frame.